So in this CapCut tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to speed up a video here inside of CapCut. So once you have CapCut open up on your device, add a video. So I just added this video right here, this stock footage of Happy New Year, plain and simple. Now if I wanted to speed this up, it's pretty simple. Press on the video right here, then go down below to where it says speed. So right in between split and animation, press on speed right here, press on normal. Then once you're on this screen, if you want to make it faster, I can move this up to 2x speed, for example. Once that is done, I can press on done. Now if I were to play the video again, it is now playing at double the speed. If you want to change it again, just press on the video. Once again, press on speed, press on normal. You can change it to slower if you want to, so I can press on that right there. So if I were to play it, it now plays at a slower pace. So that is how you guys can speed up or slow down a video here inside of CapCut. I hope this video helped.